Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. Moving further with our subtraction chapter, the topic which we are going to cover today is subtraction word problems. Okay, so first I am going to explain you all that how to do subtraction word problems, then we will come to our exercise questions. Okay, subtraction word problems. So now, what are word problems? How to deal with it? It's a kind of a situation where there is, in subtraction, where there are loss or decrease of something. Means we are taking out some number from another number. जब हम किसी situation में से कोई नंबर को निकाल रहे हैं और लेफ्ट ओवर जो है, सो उसको हम बता रहे हैं कितना डिक्रीज हो गया. That is a situation which is known as a subtraction word problem. Let us take this example. Like there is a situation, there is a question which says, in a school library there are total 5842 books. एक स्कूल लाइब्रेरी में कितनी बुक्स हैं? 5842 बुक्स हैं. If 3726 books are in English language, अगर उसमें से टोटल बुक्स में से 3726 बुक्स जो हैं वो इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में हैं, देन हाउ मेनी बुक्स आर इन हिंदी लैंग्वेज. तो लेफ्ट ओवर कितनी बुक्स जो हैं वो हिंदी लैंग्वेज में. मीन्स टोटल दे दिया, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की बुक्स बता दी, कितनी हिंदी में होंगी क्या करना है, ऐड करेंगे तो और ज्यादा हो जाएगा. ये तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ बुक्स दिए हैं. ठीक है, नाउ वी हैव टू टेक आउट. First we have to understand what they are asking about. So what is to be found? क्या find करना है हमने? What is to be found? We have to find Hindi language books. Hindi language books. ये हमें find out करना है. That we understood. हमने question पढ़ा, we understood. What next is what information is given? This is step 2. क्या क्या information हमें दी हुई है? Total number of books that is given to us and English books. ये वाली information दी हुई है. Total number of books is how much? 5842 and English books are how much? 3726. Now what is to be done? मुझे क्या करना है? कैसे पता चलेगा क्या करना है हमें यही फाइंड आउट करना है. देन हाउ मेनी बुक्स आर इन हिंदी लैंग्वेज. टोटल दिया हुआ है, इंग्लिश की दी हुई है, कितनी रह गई ये बताना है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, व्हाट इज टू बी डन? सब्ट्रैक्ट इंग्लिश books from total number of books. Total number of books. Okay. The last step, do subtraction. Okay. Now let us look at the solution. You have understood the steps. Now we will see how we have to do the solution. Total books in library. कितनी थी total books in library? 5842. In this we have put in ones, tens, 100 and 1000 column in place value column. English books in library. How many books are there? 3726. What we have to do? We have to subtract. So we will put the sign of subtraction. And what we have to find out? What was asked in question? What we have to find out? Hindi books in library. So here we will write Hindi books in library is equal to. So here we will start subtracting. Can we subtract 6 from 2? No. So we have to borrow it from 4. Here it will come 3 and this 2 will become as 12. Now 12 minus 6, 6, 3 minus 2, 1, 8 minus 7, 1, 5 minus 3, 2. So the answer will be 2116 Hindi books in library. Okay, this is the way to solve subtraction word problems. Clear?
Now all of you, please take out your Maths Fair notebook so that we can start doing exercise 3.7 in Maths Fair notebook.
Now, in your maths notebook, you will put today's date, page number, exercise 3.7. Do your work very neatly with pencil and write down question number 1. Question number 1 is, Abhay bought 608 eggs and sold 485 of them. How many eggs are left with Abhay? Okay, so first of all, we will write the question. No need of writing the question fully. Just write down first word and put some dash here. And at the end, write down with Abhay. And that is the last 2 words of the question, with Abhay. Okay. After writing this, leave one line, write down SOS, that is solution. Okay. So here in question, what is the information which is given? Abhay bought 600 eggs. Abhay ने 600 eggs खरीदे and sold 485 of them. और उनमें से 485 उसने sell कर दिए. How many eggs are left? Now what is to be found? कितने eggs रह गए उसके पास? अभय के पास कितने eggs रह गए? ठीक है? So what we will do here? First we will write the information which we have. That is Abhay bought. Okay. Then put the sign of equal to. Here we will put the place value chart, that is 100, tens and ones. Then the next information which we have is Abhay sold, Abhay bought eggs, Abhay sold eggs. So how many eggs Abhay bought? That is 608. How many eggs Abhay sold? 485. Put the sign of subtraction because how many are left, that is what we have to find out. Here we will write eggs left is equal to, we will do subtraction, 8 minus 5 is 3. Can we subtract 8 from 0? No. So we will borrow it. This becomes 5. This becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. Here we will write the answer. 123 eggs were left with Abhay. Clear? Simple sentence you have to make. Abhay bought eggs. Abhay sold eggs. Eggs left. 123 eggs were left with Abhay. Okay? Read question number 2. There were 1926 passengers in a train. Out of those, 1365 got down at a station. How many passengers are left in the train? Now, they have given the information about total number of passengers. Then, how many passengers got down at a station, and they are asking about how many passengers are left in a train. So what we will do, write the question in the same manner how we did earlier, and then solution, put the place value column. Total passengers in train, how many? 1926. So 1926. Passengers got down at a station, that is 1365. 365. How many left? That means we have to do subtraction. And here we will write 6 minus 5 is 1. 2 minus 6 we can't do, we will borrow. 8, 12, 12 minus 6 is 6, 8 minus 3 is 5, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So in answer, 561 passengers left in train. Clear? Next question. A box contains white and pink chalk. In a box there are white and pink color chalks. If the total number of chalks is 1624. कह रहे अगर पूरे एक बॉक्स में इतनी चॉक्स हैं 1624 एंड 1200 आर वाइट, और उसमें से 1200 वाइट कलर की हैं, देन हाउ मेनी ऑफ देम आर पिंक इन कलर. तो हमें क्या करना है बताइए? वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. ओके, so what we will do here, write down the question, put the place value column. Total number of chalk is 1624. How many white chalks? It is 1200. How many pink chalk? For that we have to subtract. Can we subtract 0 from 4? Yes. 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 0 is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. So here in answer you will write 424 pink color chalk. Clear?
Now student, this is a screenshot of the questions which you are going to do. Question number 1, 2 and 3. Do it very neatly in your Maths Fair notebook. This is your homework for today. So complete it on time and send it back to me on WhatsApp. Bye bye and take care.